API Microcosm, My API, Application, Programming Interface, in Python by Nimesh M.P. Sir, author of Artificial Neural Networks, The Functional Core of AI, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, a book on learning fundamentals of programming, AI, ML, ANNs. Algorithmic Market Access, the token-gated client-server protocol for JSON-based NSE data retrieval through PYDROID 3 compiler app on Android smartphone device. Technical explanation. My API's data retrieval process. My action of reactivating my API in my PYDROID 3 app to retrieve data from Samco's servers is a classic example of API-based algorithmic data retrieval. Here is the technical breakdown of what is happening under the hood, explained simply. 1. The key players and their roles. The client. My PYDROID 3 app on my Android phone, which houses my Python code. The client application, API consumer. Samco, the brokerage. Their servers, which hold my account information and are connected to the NSE data feeds. This is the API provider, server. NSE, the exchange. The National Stock Exchange's trading system, which generates the raw, real-time market data, the source of truth. 2. The procedure, a simple request-response dialogue. The entire process is a structured conversation between my app and Samco's server, using the established rules of the Application Programming Interface, API. Step 1. Authentication, proving who I am. What I send. My Python code first sends a login request, likely a HTTP RESTful request, to the Samco API endpoint. This request contains my unique API key and secret key, which prove my app's identity, and my Samco login credentials. What the server does, the Samco server verifies these keys against its records. If valid, it issues a short-lived session token, like a digital passport. Step 2. Requesting data, asking for specific information. What I send, my code then makes a second request, often called a GET request, to a specific API endpoint, e.g., API v1, historical data. Crucially, this request includes my new session token and specific parameters. Instrument ID, the unique codes for the stocks I want, e.g., Nifty 50, Reliance. Time period, the start and end dates, times for the data I want, e.g., last 3 days. Granularity, the interval of the data, e.g., 5-minute candles, 1-day candles. The broker's internal process. The Samco server receives my request. It checks the session token to ensure I are authorized. It retrieves the requested historical data from its own massive database data warehouse, which is continuously updated from the NSE's data feed. Step 3. Data transmission, receiving the information. What the server sends. The Samco server packages the data into a structured, lightweight format, most commonly JSON, JavaScript object notation. This package includes timestamp, T, when the price occurred, open, O, the first price in the interval, high, H, the highest price in the interval, low, L, the lowest price in the interval, close, C, the last price in the interval, volume, V, the total number of shares traded in the interval. What my app does. My Python script receives this JSON data packet, converts it back into Python variables, like a list of data frames, and stores it in my phone's memory or a file for my analysis, e.g., backtesting a strategy. Technical perspective. The entire interaction relies on the client-server model and HTTP protocol. API as a translator. The API acts as a secure, standardized translator. It ensures that my PYDROID 3 code, written in Python, can communicate with Samco's highly complex proprietary trading system without needing to understand the underlying infrastructure. Data integrity. Samco's system is responsible for ensuring the data it sends is accurate and synchronized with the official NSE data feed. This process is called reconciliation. The under-the-hood flow. My phone's network sends a request via the internet to the Samco server's IP address. The server processes the request and sends the data back to my phone's IP address. This data transfer often happens over an encrypted connection, HTTPS, to ensure my login details and financial data are not compromised during transit.